Welcome to the Department of Unemployment Assistance video for new UI Online functionality for municipalities. My name is Nancy Freeman Roche and I will be your host for this video. UI Online was formerly known as Quest. Let's begin by reviewing the agenda. We will cover the following agenda items: the employer inbox. We will then explain the differences between the inbox and the current functions of correspondence and determination and issue summary. Next, we will show how an employer can file an appeal in UI Online. There has been new functionality added that allows an employer to protest a benefit charge in UI Online. We will discuss this as well in this video. Okay, now let's begin. DUA is continuing the modernization of the agency's IT infrastructure by launching Phase 2 of UI Online. This implementation will allow DUA to fully replace the agency's existing 30-year-old IT system. DUA's current IT system is obsolete, incompatible with modern operating systems, and unable to meet the high standards and needs of today's employers. In addition to the added features that we are going to review today, UI Online will have expanded hours for all employers. Now you will be able to conduct your UI business from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day of the week. Staff will be available by phone from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. for the first month after implementation. Not only will the system be more convenient for users, but it will also provide DUA with more detailed and accurate data that will allow the agency to detect fraud sooner and prevent overpayments. In addition, if pending legislation is passed, the new system will give DUA the ability to intercept federal tax refunds from claimants who owe the agency overpayments. We predict that we will recover at least $10 million a year through this effort alone. The new system will also save DUA over $1 million each year in postage. The first new functionality we will be discussing is the employer inbox. By clicking on this link, an employer will be able to view and maintain information that requires his or her action. Here are some examples of correspondence that may be found in your inbox: separation information requests, formerly known as 1062s and 1074s, wage requests, and other fact-finding information related to a claim that needs your input. Please remember that timely responses to this information are very important. There are several ways that you can search for correspondence on this screen. First, if you want to see all of your correspondence, hit Search. If you want to limit the amount of correspondence displayed, enter one of the search criteria and then click on Submit. Information will only be shown related to that particular search parameter. Here is an example of fact-finding that you would find in an employer's inbox. This example is a request for wage information. Here is an example of an inbox with correspondence. Each piece of correspondence has a document ID and a date which indicates when action needs to be taken. Click on the document ID for the details. The Determination and Issue Summary screen allows the employer to search for issues, determinations, and account notices. The default to search by type is All. For issues relating to the employer, select Revenue. For issues related to the claimant, select Benefits. You can narrow the results by selecting one of the following under Status: Pending Determinations, Processed Determinations, Pending Appeals, and Processed Appeals. As we discussed, the differences between inbox, correspondence, and determination and issue summary screens are: the inbox contains correspondence that requires action by you. In correspondence, you will find informational messages, such as your experience rating, subjectivity, amounts past due, etc. Determination and Issue Summary contains all issues on a former employee's unemployment claim, for example, an issue over employee separation. Now you will have the option to file an appeal on any decision in UI Online. The appeal process starts when an issue on a former employee's unemployment claim has been decided and you are notified of the decision. If you feel that the decision is incorrect, you can appeal online within 10 days after notification. Click on View Determination. Here is an example of a determination that can be found in the Determination and Issue Summary section of UI Online. It provides information on the determination, such as what decision has been made and the applicable section of law on which the decision is based. The due date for the appeal is listed on the determination note so that you know exactly when you have to respond. The next step in the appeal process is to file the appeal in UI Online. This is done by clicking on the File Appeal button. This screen provides information on the appeal filing process. Once the appeal is filed, a hearing will be conducted. You will be notified of all the hearing details and the decision from the hearing. Click on Next. All fields marked with a red asterisk must be completed. You are given the option of indicating your hearing preference, either in person or by telephone. Information requested in the Hearing Details section is not mandatory, but you can enter the information if known. Click on Next. If you indicated that you will be represented by an attorney or representative at the hearing, attorney information will be entered on the screen. Click on Next. Multiple attorney information can be entered by clicking on Add New. Also, information previously entered can be deleted by clicking on Delete. If you are planning to bring a witness or witnesses to the hearing, please enter the witness information on this page. Click on Next. If you have more than one witness, then click on Add New to add them. Click on Next. You also have the option to delete any witness information previously entered. This is the top of the appeal confirmation screen. All information that was entered can be reviewed by you and changed as needed. Each section has a Modify button. This is the bottom part of the confirmation screen. Once all modifications have been made, if any, click in the box to confirm that the information you entered is correct, and then click on Next. Another great feature in UI Online is that now you can protest benefit charges online. On the employer homepage, you select the option for benefit charge activities. To create the protest, click on the Benefit Charge Protest link. Then fill in all the required fields, red asterisk, and hit Submit. Document ID is a required field on this screen. This is the top half of the protest charge determination letter. It provides the reason for the determination. This is the bottom half of the protest charge determination. You can request a hearing within 20 calendar days if you are not satisfied with the determination. If you have additional questions regarding the new UI Online functionality, please call the Employer Charge Department at 617-626-6350. This video can be accessed at website mass.gov/DUA, and then look for the link for UI Online for employers and TPAs. During this video, we have covered the following new UI Online employer functions: Employer Inbox, Correspondence, and Determination and Issue Summary, and the differences among them, Filing an Appeal Online, and Protesting Benefit Charges Online. Thank you for watching this DUA video. Have a wonderful day.